For years, I had what most people would call a good job. On paper, I had made it. Honestly though, it felt like a hamster wheel, turning out products for more consumerism and wondering if any of this mattered to God's bigger purpose. In churches, we often celebrate people in full-time ministry, but treat our everyday jobs as spiritual afterthoughts. Yet, Scripture tells a different story. Your daily work, whatever it is, can actually join in what God is doing in the world. In this 2-hour workshop, we'll look at what the Bible really says about work and vocation and how to live with faithful presence in your everyday life. If you've ever wondered whether your 9 to 5 really matters to God, this is for you. Hi, my name is June Chan, and I'll be conducting a 2-hour workshop on theology at work for the 4Twelve Academy.